A quest for certainty, unraveling possibility and probability questions. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the mysteries of expressing possibility and probability with negative forms and questions. These forms play a vital role in everyday communication and can make your English sound more fluent and natural. Before we dive into questions, let's do a quick recap on modal verbs. These are auxiliary verbs like can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, and must. They help express the likelihood or certainty of an action. For example, it may rain tomorrow. Possibility, it must be cold outside. Certainty. Negative forms are used when we want to convey that something is unlikely or impossible. We simply add not after the modal verb. For instance, it may not rain tomorrow. Unlikely possibility, she can't be at home. Impossibility. Remember that in spoken English, we often contract not with the modal verb like can't, won't, shouldn't, etc. This is our main focus today. Questions involving possibility and probability often involve modal verbs and are used to ask about the likelihood of a particular event or situation. For example, let's say you're planning a picnic and you ask, could it rain tomorrow? The answer can be in terms of possibility or probability. Yes, it might. Possibility. No, it won't. No possibility. Negative questions can be a bit tricky, but they're very useful for showing surprise or disbelief, or when we expect the answer to be no. Consider the following examples. Couldn't he be the one who took the keys? Expressing disbelief. Won't she be coming to the party? Expecting the answer to be no. And there you have it, folks. That's our walkthrough of expressing possibility and probability with negative forms and questions. We hope this session has provided you with useful insights to make your English conversations more versatile. Remember, practice is the key. So, keep practicing these forms in your daily communication to become more proficient. Until next time, happy learning!